situation do you think we're in? Could've had me at 100%. I was in it. I give my everything when I'm all in. We could've been it. Just leave the past in the past, baby, it's cool, yeah, everything's forgiven. You could've had me at 100%, but you didn't.
Yeah, you was giving 90 and I was giving 10. I ain't never been too good at relationships. You want rocks on your hand, I put a rock on my neck. I should've been chasing you, but I was chasing a check. You never know what you have till you're too far gone. It's a nice little hole that I dug on my own. I saw you in the gram, you was in your zone. You're doing real well without me.